Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 4-bedroom detached property. This is Canterbury from Redrow Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. Now this is located in Oakfields, Warrington, near Manchester. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, study, kitchen with dining and the washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your kitchen, living and upstairs. So first let's check out the study which is coming in the front. So this is the first room in the house. Now you can use this as a visitor's room, study, whatever you want to. You have a really big bay window even in this room and the space is quite okay. Plenty of natural light falling in here. Now from this study, moving towards the living room. So you're getting your living room just behind this. It's a very spacious living room, a little bigger than the regular size living rooms. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set, and still there's plenty of room space to walk around. You also have garden access through the wide French doors provided in here. So plenty of natural light falling in the living space. And through this living room you also have access towards your kitchen and dining space the other end. So you have these patio doors even from the living room and also through the kitchen and dining. Now one of the features which I really like about the Redrow properties is their architecture, design and also this wide French door access through your living or even through the kitchen and dining space. Even for the smaller 3-bedroom properties they provide you with this wider French door access. So this gives a lot of good light and ventilation in the rooms. Now through this living room you can also step into your kitchen and dining space. So here again it's a very wide and big kitchen. This is the dining space here. So as you can see you also have the French door access through your dining area here. And obviously you'll get a wider garden behind it with fence around. So taking you around the kitchen space now. As you can see in the length you have the kitchen space towards the other end. And just before checking out the kitchen space I want to show you the small storage space coming in here. So you can plan some kind of storage in here. Now taking you towards the kitchen side. This is actually an L-shaped kitchen. As you can see the kitchen space is given in length and towards the other end you have the dining space. Now in the kitchen side you have this worktop spread out on 2 different sides with various cabinets at the bottom and top. You're also getting a nice window towards one side. Actually in most of the Redrow properties if you observe nowadays they are removing the windows in the kitchen. But in this property you do have a window which is really good feature. Now towards the opposite side you're getting your double oven and integrated fridge freezer. Now just beside this kitchen you also have your utility space given separately. It's a decent space actually. You can plan your washing machine, dryer, there's also a sink and you also have garden access through a door in here. The space is quite okay. Overall a beautiful kitchen with a really good dining space. And as you come out of this kitchen, towards your right side you have the washroom in the ground floor. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side. A decent washroom with good space. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a nice window. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms. So 2 are double bedrooms and 2 single rooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed like this or a double bed, and there's really good room space to walk around. You can also plan wardrobes like this. The space is really good. And towards the opposite side you get those wide bay windows. So plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. And this is the attached bath. So you have the water closet, sink, and there's a walk-in shower. You also get a wide window in this bathroom. The space looks okay. It's a fully tiled bathroom. Overall a decent bedroom. Now let's move to the other rooms of the property. So just beside this master bedroom you have the second bedroom of the house. Now this is a single bedroom. So you can plan a single cot like this, and you'll get some space to walk around. You can plan this as a kids room, computer room, or guest room, anything you want to. You're still getting a nice window, so plenty of natural light falling even in this room. Now just beside the second bedroom you also have a small storage space, and inside they gave the water heater. Now let's check out the family bathroom which is coming beside it. It's a decent bathroom. The space looks quite okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and the window is slightly bigger. So plenty of natural light falling in this bathroom. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is again a single bedroom. So you can plan a single cot like this, and there's decent room space to walk around. You also get a wide window, so there's good natural light falling in the room. You can plan this as a kids room. So after planning a kids cot, you also have a decent space to plan your wardrobes towards one side. Even though it's a single bedroom, it's slightly bigger than the other single room which we have seen, and again smaller than the regular double bedroom. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. So this is again a double bedroom. So you can plan a double cot like this, and you get decent room space to walk around. The window size in this bedroom is bigger than the other rooms, and towards the opposite side you have decent space to plan a wider wardrobe. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with really good style and comfort. My favorite was the ground floor. I really loved the living and also the kitchen and dining space. It was really beautiful. And don't forget to check out that double garage which is coming towards the front end. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.